Uh, Now in this class I would like to explain few general kind of questions, small questions before doing very big solids in isometric projections and isometric views or isometric drawings, whatever it is. The first question I am explaining is, this question reads like this: draw the isometric projection of a cube of 40 mm. Sorry, square, it is just square, no problem, square. So, square 40 mm, we have to draw the isometric projection. See, here he is asking isometric projection, not view. That is, we have to take true length line by multiplying with, to have the isometric length, we have to multiply this true length with 0.817 times. So that is, we have to take 40 is the size, multiply with 0.817, whatever it is, more than 32 like that we are getting mm. So now how we have to do it? Actually this one, I am giving extension for this question, three views of a cube. Or otherwise you can write three sides of a cube. If you see in three sides of a cube, the front square is visible, as we are seen earlier, side also square is visible, top also square is visible. That all three, when representing on a isometric projection of it is visible, that I would like to show it. No need to explain, very simply I will explain, or otherwise it is a cube, you will already know it. Just roughly I am writing here. So this is the first one I am taking. Let us say it is 1, 2 and 3 I would like to show. This all dimensions are 40 mm, but he is asking isometric projection. That means the true length, the isometric length is equivalent to 0.817 times of true length. That is 40 into 0.817 times, maybe more than 32 like that we are going to have it. First one I am trying to do this one. This one how we have to do it? This one vertical only, you take it with HB pencil. This is on 30-degree line, we know it. This is also on 30-degree line. So this 30-degree line, draw the line. The question is how much length we have to keep here. The length here, how much we are getting? 40 multiplied with 0.87 times. That we have to take it, around 32. You ignore about the fractions. Take 32. You write 32, you take it 32 here. Then this length also equivalent to this length, but keep your mini drafter parallel to this, keep over here, draw the line. So parallel to this line. If it is 32, here also we are getting 32. So just keep here, draw the line. This length is equivalent to this length, whatever we are getting that, and join these two. This is isometric projection. So we have to write this on 30-degree line. It's vertical only. So when you are getting this one, this length is equivalent to this length is equivalent to this length. But here we have to take 40 into 0.817 times, because he is asking isometric projection. This is one. Second, this one I would like to write it. This one, this center line I am writing here. Sorry, I am taking somewhere here. Right? This line on 30-degree line. And what about this length? 40 into 0.817 times only. Here also 40 into 0.817 times only. This is that 30-degree line. So now we have to draw the parallel line for this line from this point. We are getting this, and the length is equivalent to this much, 0.817 times of 40, and we are getting this. Join it. Second side is also face also we got it. Now top, third one. Let us say it may be 1, 2 like that we can write it. Third one also, see here. From this point, we are having this is 30 and this is also 30. You do like this, 30 degrees, and here also 30 degrees. So how much length we have to take it? Same thing, because he is asking isometric projection, we have to take 40 into 0.817 times. So it is 40 into 0.817 times. And here, then this one we have to write it. This one, how we are going to write it? This line is parallel to this line. So this line is parallel to this line. So keep your mini drafter here, make it tight with the fulcrum, keep over here, draw the length which is equivalent to this length, 0.817 times of 40. Now this line is parallel to this line. So this line is parallel to this line, keep over here, draw it. This is how we are going to have it. Draw this line with HB pencil. This is isometric projection. See here, but the dimensions are, maybe you are getting 32, but when you are representing here, don't write 32, write 40 only. So let us say I am giving dimensioning like this, you extend it with the 2H pencil. These are thicker actually, it is HB pencil, but here the extension lines you have to write it like this. On this line, dimension line, how much you have to represent? Even though it is 32, you write it 40 only. No need to write mm, because we are writing above the title black, all dimensions are in mm, we are writing anyhow, all dimensions are in mm. No need to show everywhere in the entire answer script. You write somewhere above your question, this roll number, you write it, all dimensions are in mm. You write it, right? All dimensions are in mm. This is isometric projection of a square. Then let us say same question is asking isometric view or drawing. Isometric view or drawing. Or drawing. How we are going to do it? Isometric view or isometric drawing, or otherwise isometric drawing. I will write isometric drawing. This one, same thing we have to do it. Instead of 32, we have to take original dimension on the same 30-degree line. That is only the difference. I will tell you once again. In isometric projection, we are taking this length 0.817 times of true length. But when you are coming to isometric view or drawing, we have to take angles all same, but only thing is this lengths we have to take true lengths. That is only the difference. Now I would like to explain one more question. It is a square now. Now I am taking isometric projection I am asking. Isometric view I am asking. Isometric view of a. Isometric view of a square. No, sorry. It's over now. Triangle I will take. Some triangle I will take. Triangle like this. Any triangle you will give in the examination. This length may be 40. This angle may be some 40 degrees, 30 degrees, and this length is some 30. It may be like this. Triangle. So let us say this is ABC. This triangle, this length we are giving it. This length is given. This length is given. Like this they are going to give it. This one we have to draw in isometric view or drawing is asking. When this question is given in the question paper, first of all we have to draw this triangle in our answer script, otherwise we are unable to do it. This one we are drawing like this, no problem. Once again I am doing this. This is A. You take according to the dimension, because this will be on question paper, no? It is on 30-degree line. This length is given 30. From here, this 40 is there, no? This is already 40, we got it. So we know this point and this point, join it. Now this one, A, B, C. Now what we have to do it? This we have to incorporate in a rectangle, maximum possible rectangle. So this is, I am making dark. Right? How it is? You draw the line, vertical line like this. From here, horizontal line, a vertical line like this, perpendicular this, up to this extension, or otherwise draw this line like this, draw this line like this. It is a rectangle. We have to incorporate in a maximum possible rectangle most of the times. We are incorporating this triangle in a rectangle. First of all, we have to draw this rectangle in a isometric view or drawing. Then we have to focus on this triangle. You try to draw this rectangle on isometric view here. That means we have to take true lengths on 30-degree lines. So this one, how I can take it is, I am marking this point, C, this let us say it is D and E. See here how I am going to write it. Just see here, this one I am writing this rectangle. I am taking AD here, I am writing this line, AD here, AD here. It is vertical, vertical only. Here on 30 degree line, 30 degree line. What is the length we have to take it? We have to take true length. Please remember, I am asking about isometric view. I am taking 40 here. This 40. Now, if it is, we have to construct this rectangle here. This is 40. And what about this height? This height we have to measure it in this. After completion of this, whatever this height we are getting here in the drawing, you take same height. Now construct the rectangle, which is this line is parallel to this line. Keep your mini drafter here. Draw the line from here. Right? Same length. So whatever the length, you measure it, same length here. You put this point, and this line is parallel to this line. Of course, we are getting right. This is one rectangle. Other rectangle, how I am writing here? See here. This one, whatever the length that is there, I am taking here. This is on 30 degree line. Whatever the length, we are having true length. 40 only we have to take it because it is 40. So here, well, same length of from this point vertically we have to do it. Similarly here we have to write it. This line is parallel to this line. Now one more is, we are having rectangle now here. You take like as this. No problem. 2 are enough here. So 2 are enough because it is a triangle. Here the base A and B. How you have to mark C? You do one thing. You measure the distance D to C here, D to C here. Whatever the distance is there here, measure here. Keep the point. Right? Now join it with a thick pencil, HB pencil. You mark this A, B and this C with the dark. This make it light. We use 2H pencil for here initially. After make this dark with HB pencil. Likewise here also, of course this is AB. Here the C point, how you have to mark? Same thing you have to measure it. The C point. You mark it like this. You have to do like this. You have to mark. This one we have to do like this. Mark these portions. Dark, like this. This is how we have to do isometric view. Here, you can observe on previous question and this question, these dimensions are true dimensions because he is asking isometric view. There he is asking isometric projection. That is only the difference between this question and earlier question. This is how we have to draw the isometric projection of a triangle. Stop.